Not only is man a knowledgeable, political, social animal in himself naturally, biologically, that he needs society, community at every step of the way in his surroundings to make himself feel human, to make himself comfortable for success, prosperity, and other goods and bads in life, because he is literally designed and engineered by evolution, biology, nature, not only with his differences, not only to be different fundamentally from each other, but also to be political, because he's a political, social, divisive animal at the same time for his own survival reasons, for his existential purposes, that he's going to try to do, attempt, and execute almost anything against other for survival reasons, to ensure his own survival, to guarantee his own existence in the present as well as in the future in one way or another. That's how he's made. That's how he's wired by biology. That's how he's engineered by evolution in one way or another, which was kind of necessary also. Otherwise, we would perish. We would basically collapse under the weight of our own incapability or inadequacy in one way or another. So definitely is there. But then again, we are also political animals. And when it comes to politicians and their lives, then it's not really easy. We think the politicians' lives are easy because of his pleasure, comfort, and the privilege it brings. But it's obviously consistent tension, is the epitome of constant chaos, never-ending opposition, criticism. Those things are already there. And the fear of basically uprising is always there. The fear, the anxiety that the politicians or the leadership will be overthrown, destroyed, or usurped by stronger, better people, parties, or rebels. That sort of fear is obviously inevitable and unavoidable. It just cannot be removed, anyways, from the politicians, the government's hearts in one way or another, because revolutionaries are always there, revolts are there, rebels are there, and they can try anytime to basically overthrow the government. And that will happen in one way or another because of rampant and uncontrollable inflation, poverty, unemployment, injustice, unfreedom in the modern society. The government will be overthrown, it will be destroyed in one way or another, either because of revolution, because of rebels, or because of its own collapse automatically. But the politician also is thinking about his good, is thinking about his future survival, how he can continue to manipulate and exploit our unresolved psychological vulnerabilities, our lack of information and knowledge, our absence of consciousness, authenticity in us, for which we are always controlled, for which we can continue to be manipulated, for which we could always be controlled, subjugated by politicians, by governments and parties in the world. But if we develop all of these qualities, then manipulation becomes almost impossible or unfeasible.